just nailed it. Welcome to my channel. Today is SheModern Saturday, the 1st of the new year, 2021. Before us we have the items I'm going to be using to accomplish a manicure I'm calling snow days. Recently here in Michigan we have had snow, ice, rain. We've had it all, so I figured I would do a manicure today called Snow Days. On the nails before me, I have Dreamy Summers by Modelones, and of course, as you can see, it is a mini. On top of that, I have SheModern's Glue Gel. This is the bottle I'm still currently using. I'm almost out. This is my new bottle that I've not started yet. This is the new design. Glue gel is for dry, coloring, pigment glitters. I use it to keep my decals in place. Wherever you place them, that's where they stay. Technically, you're supposed to be using, that's not it, let me look here. You can use the grip gel. This is for foil and layering decals. But you know me, I like to go against the grain. I use what I see fit to use. So, I've already applied that to the nails. We are going to dive in with our decals. I've already got them saturated in water. I'm using my old ice cube stamper from Maniology. I do have a code down below. Feel free to use that to save yourself 10% off. So I'm going to start with the ring finger, and I'm going to be putting the snowman. Pick them up. As you can see, there is a water droplet. Dab that off on something lint-free. Don't do that. Don't drop the snowman. Hover about so you can see where you want him placed. And I'm putting him near the bottom because we are going to be having some snow. I'm going to get my silicone tool, smooth out, make sure there is no air or water bubbles. Next, decide which, I've got different, I can't talk. On this palette over here to the bottom right, I have got my snow. And I'm just going to figure out which ones I'm placing. Kind of move that one off to the side. Okay, dab it off. Dab, dab, dab. Okay, silicone tool, smooth her out. Make sure there's no air or water bubbles again. And I want this one right here. Sometimes the backing does come up with. Just take your finger over it. It comes off. No big deal. No big deal. With using the glue gel, you should not really have any air or water bubbles. I'm going to jump over to this palette here. I want to get this done because I feel that's going to be the hardest for me. It is the lettering of Snow Days. I have used this decal right here. It has got two different shades of blue, light and a dark. So, and as well as so do the snow. But I want to start on this, get this done, and put on the nail. Once again, the backing comes with. No big deal. Okay, where are we? Putting our S on. We go in for our N. Wish I could see this a lot better. These letters are not probably going to line up exact, knowing me. I'm gonna go over my stamper with my lint roller. Okay, I'm going to move these over. I'm going for my O. Oh. And our W. And I don't really... I'm afraid this was going to happen. We have got snow. This is not very sticky. I'm going to go over each individual one. You don't have to. I am. Sometimes you need to hold them up to make sure where you have them. In what direction. Oops. Going in for the Y. Why? Because we love you. No, right? Makes me think of Mickey Mouse. I got my... Y applied. Now I'm going to go, and now Dayz I'm spelling with the Z, not an S. Oh, ouch. Okay. We have got the Z applied to the nail. I'm going to pause. I need my... Okay, let me not pause. I need my acetone. That's dehydrator. Try for one more bottle. Here we go. We've got a little bit of overage with the decal on the Z. So I'm taking my acetone to melt the sides off. So I'm trying to put everything back where it goes. So here is our snow days. Now we're going to jump back over to the snow. I'm going to get this out of my way. Sorry about this. I'm going to clean up a little bit as I go. So here we are so far. I know we're 8.5 minutes in almost. So we are going to go in and clean my stamper. Okay, let's see what's next. More snow. More snow. Whoops. Dab your snow off. Place it wherever you would like on the nail. Whoops, our backing came with on that one. Let the silicone tool smooth her out. Make sure there's no air or water bubbles. And you want to start from the center and go outwards. Whoops. Everything's in my way. Just place your snow randomly or however you would like on the nail. Let me see here. Trying to hurry so we don't have a 30-minute video here. Got our decals applied. Here we go. Here is our snow days. I think that is really super cute. I am going to be adding some bling. Gotta have some bling in our Manny. Excuse me, I'm a little bit parched. For our top coat, I'm going to use Beetles to top it off. And I'll be adding bling to all 5 nails. Just as a little accent, I guess you'd say. Oh, you can hear I'm getting stuffed up. I'm truly, truly, terribly sorry. Terribly sorry. Top coat your nails well, side to side, cuticle to your free edge. Get your sidewalls nice and covered. I think I might be coming to the end of this bottle too. I have so many bottles of top coat sitting around. I got Model 1s that I've haven't used in a million years. I should get those out and use those up. Got a few minis. My snow days doesn't want to stay on straight. So make sure they're completely covered. Make sure your tips are coated nice. You don't want any bare or bald spots, but you don't want, when I started waitressing way back, the one guy that trained me to clean a table, he says no sloppy Susie, which meant bring the rag out. And that's cool. We don't want no sloppy Susie here either. So I've got 2 different colors of stones here. I'm using a light and a dark blue. This one is not want to come off. Where are you? There we go. Just gonna randomly add them. No particular fashion or order. You can place your gems however you would like. You don't have to do as I'm doing. Come on, you little bugger. Oh, it's not even there. I lost it. Okay, this is where the other end comes in handy. Move your gems where you want them. Love, love, love this manicure so far. So, move them about. I feel like I'm running over here in time. Two more nails to go. Making sure I get multicolored here, both shades of blue. And moving my mat right along with me. There we go. Almost done. Let me take a look, see? So make sure I have enough bling on my nails. Okay, what do you think? I think we have enough bling, so whoops. That one really wants to do its own thing there. I'm gonna pop these to the lamp, and we will be right back. We are back and fresh out of the lamp. Excuse me, we are finished with our manicure, our snow days. I think this turned out really super cute. We have snow days there in the thumb. The ring finger has the snowman. And the rest of them have snow with a little bit of bling. I think they turned out really cute. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. I upload normally 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesdays are my docu-series, Learning Acrylics. If you have any suggestions, please let me know on those videos or DM me. I also have a community page here now on YouTube since I have become monetized. I'm reaching my 1K, so you can leave me a message there. Thursdays is a crapshoot what I'm going to do. It could be swatching, reviews, nail art. It's hard to say. Saturday, as you see, is my SheModern Saturday series. And I do SheModern manicures using only SheModern products. So I hope you like this. I think it turned out really super cute. Whoops. Really super cute. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you were here. Get some chit chat going on between us all. I greatly appreciate it. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.